So we have one more chapter, one more portion, that is three-tier judicial machinery or redressal agencies under the Consumer Protection Act. So if we have any kind of complaints, so how we can make this complaint, and for that, in order to make it easy, it has been divided into three sections, or we can say it is called as the three-tier judicial machinery. Or the Consumer Protection Act has provided three-tier judicial machinery for redressing the grievances for consumers. We shall now get extensive knowledge of this three-tier judicial machinery. So this is a very important topic. So you have to study in this chapter. Few things are there, like this three-tier judicial machinery, as well as this consumers' responsibility and consumers' rights. All these things are very much important, and even not as a part of your these things you should know. Okay, as a business studies student, even if it is not just for the purpose of exam, but as a commerce student, you should know all these things. And if somebody, it is your responsibility to make others, if anybody is there, other students or other people also know about these things. So inform these information to other people also. Okay, so because there are educated people are there, but they are not knowing these type of things. We have this facility is there, such an option is there. So many of the people may not know about it, and that is why they get cheated. Okay, so you should know these things. First of all, you should try to understand these things, and you should inform these things, information to the other ones also. So there are three ways in which we can file complaints, or the way in which the problems of the consumers are solved. The first one is called as the district forum. According to the Consumer Protection Act, the state government can set up one or more district forum in each district. Main features of district forum as under. See that this district forum is established in the forum one district. Okay, like for Basti district, one forum can be there. So according to the size of it depends on the government, state government can decide whether to have like one district if it is a big district, and if one, or if there are large amount of business opportunities are there, customers and all are there. So in such cases, there can be more than one also. Okay, it doesn't mean that only one district forum will be there, but it is a local body, and if it is according to, or and if one district is very small, then two districts together can have only one forum. So district forum is, we can understand that mostly commonly it is there for one district, one forum will be there. Okay, so here, and in this there are three members, including one presiding officer. Of these, one must be a lady member. They are appointed by the state. The presiding officer must have the qualification of a district judge. Okay, so there are, this forum consists of three members. There are three officers, three members are there. One is called as the presiding officer, the senior officer, or the one who is in charge. And his qualification should be equal to the district judge. So he should be either a retired district judge, or he should have an equivalent qualification of a district judge. Okay, and out of these three, one should be a lady. Okay, so one lady member should be there. See, in everywhere there is a provision is given for like out of these members, one lady member will be there. So why this one lady member is included? See, for example, so for any ladies are having some kind of complaints are there. So if a lady is coming with a complaint, and if she may be in such a situation that she may not share this information with the male, so there may be some kind of such situation. So if she is misused, or any kind of problems may be there, which she may not be happy, or she may not feel comfortable to share with the male member. Okay, so that is why, in order to understand the feelings of a woman, there is a female member always will be there. One member will be there in the district forum. Out of three, one will be a district member. Sorry, one will be a female member. District forum hears disputes involving sum up to 20 lakh. So see, like the first one, you can say district forum. So there are three members, one lady, and up to 20 lakh rupees cases can be given in this one. Okay, So complaint can be filed by the consumer or by a consumer association. Any consumer can directly file the case, or a consumer association can file a case. Once the complaint is admitted, notice of it is sent to the other party. So if we are file a case against like a particular company, then a notice will be, district forum will be sending a notice to the other member against whom the complaint is registered. To that particular company, a notice will be sent. One on examination, if it is proved that the goods are defective, the district forum can issue one or more of the following directives to accused party. So there are some kind of, like if they first they will conduct the examination, they will check whether the complaint is genuine or not. So they will investigate about it, whether he has this person has affected this one, or whatever he is telling is right or wrong. That they will test it, and after coming to know that this is true, then they can file one of the. There are so many, one or more. Okay, so sometimes two things also may be given. So defect in the product be removed. Either they will give a suggestion that you have to remove the defect of the product. If the product is defective, product is there, then the company has to remove the defect of the product. Or defect of the product, defective product to be replaced by a new one. Otherwise, if the defect cannot be there, then this can be replaced with a new product, a good product, good quality product has to be supplied. Consumer may be refunded the value of the product. So if you have purchased the product and if that product is not good, sometimes the court will say that you have to refund the money. Okay. Consumer may be paid compensation for the loss suffered by him. So if any other additional loss that he has faced because of the use of this product, and that compensation has to be given, and the compensation will be decided by the district forum. So district forum will see, like if the cost of, what is the cost of this maximum, the value of the product should be less than 20 lakh. Up to 20 lakh only you can file a case. If it is more than that, then it will be directly going to the state forum. Okay. So this is about the district forum. If neither party is satisfied with the judgment of the district forum, it can file appeal against it with the state commission within 30 days. Thereafter, the order of the state commission can be challenged before the national commission and no further. So, like if this file case and if the court is, the district forum is giving a suggestion, and if any of these parties, like if they are suggested, the suggestion is given, and the customer is not satisfied with the suggestion or the decision taken by the district forum, then within 30 days time, so there is a 30 days time, is 1 month time. Within 1 month, he has to complain. Next complaint should be given about in the state commission. So the next level of this one is called as the state commission. Okay, state commission. One state commission is appointed by the state government in each state. Its main characteristics are as follows. So this is for a state level. So one state, one commission will be there. One commission has to be appointed in one state. So this is for one district. Normally this you can understand that this is a district forum. So for this one district, one forum will be there. But it is not compulsory that one district should have only one forum, or in one district there should be a forum there. Okay, so at least it should be according to the size of the district, it will be decided. And there will be a state commission. The state commission is that for one state there will be one state commission. So that whether depending on the size, even if it big or small, then it will come on, only one will be there. Okay. It is also composed of 3 members, including one presiding officer, and of these one must be a lady member. So the same, this one is there, 3 members are there, one lady is there. Okay. So total 3 members are there, one presiding officer, one lady should be there. Okay, either the presiding officer may be a lady or any other. Out of these 3 members, one will be a lady, and one is called as the presiding officer. Presiding officer means the senior most officer, main member. Okay, so he is the one who is final. Means like 3 members are there, 3 are telling 3 decisions, then it will be problem. So the one person will be there to finalize the decision. All 3 will be giving 3 suggestions. Out of that, the one will be giving the final. Like it is like a lawyers and judges. So the main judge will be there. Under that, there are so many lawyers and all are there. So they will be discussing, and after that, the decision will be taken. So he is the main member. Okay. Then State Commission redresses grievances involving a sum exceeding 20 lakh up to 1 crore. So the case will be to 20 lakh to 1 crore. Okay. So if the case is there, if any product value, if we are having a product having the cost of more than 20 lakh, if loss is there or such kind of situation, or up to 1 crore. If it is 1 crore, below 1 crore rupees, then the case will be filed in the State Commission. Either 10 rupees product also can be coming into the State Commission, but first it has to be filed in the district forum. Up to 20 lakh, first they will be submitting in the district forum, then the district forum will be making a suggestion, making a judgment. After that, if they are not satisfied, within 30 days, they can forward this complaint to the State Commission. Understood? So then the State Commission will be taking the case. So, but if we have to directly, if a product, if any case is there, in that the product is costing around more than 20 lakh, there is no need of directly complaint, no need of complaining in the district forum. Directly it will be going to the State Commission. Understood? Then once the complaint is submitted, notice is issued to the other party. So these procedures are same. When the complaint received, then they will send the notice to the other party. If necessary goods are examined, if proved defective, like the district forum, the State Commission can issue one or more of the directives to the accused party. So any of these suggestions, as we have already discussed, some of this like either the defect will be removed, or the defective product will be exchanged with a new product, or refund can be given, or any compensation, additional expenditure is there, or that can be given. Then, if either of the party is not satisfied with the decision of the State Commission, it can file an appeal before the National Commission within 30 days of the order. National Commission cannot be challenged further. So, if this also, this decision, so once you file the case in the district forum, then after that you can forward it to the State Commission, and if you are not satisfied with the State Commission, then you can file within 30 days time. Again, the same rule is there. Within 30 days time, you have to file a complaint in the National Commission. Okay, so the next level is called as the National Commission. Okay, so the National Commission, it is appointed by the central government. So this is like a district forum, and the State Commission is formed by the state government. Okay, who all should be the member of district forum, that will be decided by the State Commission, state government. Okay, but this National Commission, the decision is taken by the central government. Central government is deciding who will become the members of this. Okay, then it has 5 members, including the presiding officer. One lady must be a member must be there. So in all of these two, there are three members are there, but here there are 5 members are there, and one lady member will be there. Okay, so these are there, and it has the jurisdiction to hear complaints involving a sum exceeding 1 crore rupees. So here, if directly 1 crore and more, if the value of the product is more than 1 crore, then directly the case will be given to the National Commission. Okay, and if the product value is less than 1 crore, then it will be according to the, if it is 20 lakh or below, then the district forum will be there. If it is 20 lakh to 1 lakh, then it will be submitted in the State Commission, and if it is more than 1 crore, then directly to the National Commission. And if in such cases, if it is forwarded from the other cases, like the district forum, if you are filing case, if it is not satisfied, you can file with the State Commission, and if it is not satisfied, then can be given to the National Commission. And if you are not satisfied, then you have to get satisfied with the National Commission, or any other option is not there. Okay, so that is there. So once the complaint is submitted, notice is sent to the opposite party. Like the State Commission, National Commission can also issue one or more directives to the accused party. If any party is not satisfied with the decision of the National Commission, it can file an appeal with the Supreme Court within 30 days, subject to jurisdiction. Complaints involving a sum exceeding 1 crore. So if already if a case is submitted in a district forum and if it is forwarded to state commission and if it is coming to national commission, then there is no any other option is not there. They have to get satisfied with the complaint. And if a complaint is there which is having more than 1 crore rupees and you submitted this one in the national commission, and if you are not satisfied with the decision made by the national commission, then we can forward it to the Supreme Court if the case is of more than 1 crore rupees. If the products which are less than 1 crore rupees has to be adjusted with the national commission directly. Okay. So any further, this one will not be there. So for the other products, but if a direct, because they don't get another chance. So if a direct case is given by the national commission, then if it is the product value of is more than 1 crore, then it can be forwarded to the next level. That is called, they can forward it to the Supreme Court. That is also within 30 days time. 30 days time is there. 1 month time is there. So if you are not filing case, like you got a result after 1 year, you are thinking that that is not okay, I have to go. Then it is not possible. Within 30 days means within the, after this one is over, within short time we have to give. 30 days is a maximum date given, but it doesn't mean that you have to wait for the 30 days. Once you get the decision, and after that, within a few days, they will be filing case in the next commission. So there are 3 levels are there. So you should remember the number of members in different, this one district forum 3 members are there, state commission also 3 members are there, and national commission there is 5 members are there. Okay, and in all these 3 there are 1 presiding officer will be there. Presiding officer means the main officer, and there will be 1 lady. Okay, and the amount also, district forum it is below 20 lakh, and state commission 20 lakh to 1 crore, and national commission 1 crore rupees or more. And decisions taken by all the 3 forums are almost similar. They will either a defective product is there, then either first option is that defect has to be removed. If the defect cannot be removed, or if the customer may not be satisfied with the removing of defect, then that product can be replaced. And if the product cannot be replaced or any other problem is there, then it has to refund the money should be there. Okay, if same amount, how much money that you have paid, that money has to be paid back. And if any other additional costs are there, then that cost compensation has to be given. See, like imagine that you purchased a product and used it, and you got sick because of using that product, and you are admitted in the hospital, and the product value may be 20 rupees, but you have to pay 20,000 rupees in the hospital. Okay, so if they refund the 20 rupees means your loss is not over. So like you purchased a product of 20 rupees and they will say that we have made a mistake and we refund the product 20 rupees we are giving back. But with that the loss of the customer is not getting over. He suffered, he had to submit in the, he was in the hospital for 1 week time, and 20,000 rupees is spent for his hospital expenditure, and he also had to suffer undergo so much pain. So then such a case is there, then the court will decide that a compensation has to be given. Okay, as I told you, like imagine that, see, like I told you that one person was there, he had got a job in Dubai and he filed a case. So the ticket was for some 30,000 rupees. But he filed a case, he is filing case in the court that he said that because of the court, because of this airlines company, I lost my job. So then he applied for that, and he will get more money for that. Okay. So these are the next one more topic is there, that is the role of consumer organization and non-governmental organization. This topic has been cancelled. Okay, so that is about the syllabus. Our syllabus is completed. Okay, so now my work is over. Your work starts. So you have to study, prepare nicely, and see business studies. See like this year, we did not get much classes and all, and you see like online attending classes, and like only if you are coming, some are attending in the online. So it is very much difficult. I know we can also understand, but see like it is, you are in the you are in this final year. So the result which you are going to get, other classes they have another option, like in 11th class they can study next year at least. But for you, you are in the final year, so you need, and anyhow your board exam will be there. Other classes, if exam is not there also, they will be promoted to the other class, isn't it? Or exam will be there, but it is not going to be a big issue. But for you, it is a complicated issue is there. So you have you have to study, and still now only few months remaining regarding the before the exam. But still now CBSE has not announced any particular date regarding the examination. Okay, when it will be conducted or how it will be conducted, all these type of things, any proper decisions are not there. But you should be ready. Okay, so if they say that some news company or news agencies they gave information that the exam will be conducted on the regular time. Okay, in the month of March. Normally the exam is conducted in March, April time. So at that time it will be conducted, it seems, they said, but the CBSE has rejected that. They said that they did not say that it will not be conducted, but they said that this news is fake. Okay, they did not say that it will be conducted, or they did not say that it will not be conducted. So we have still now we did not get any proper information regarding this one. So it is your duty that you have to be prepared. Okay, so 2 or 3 months time is there. If the exam is getting postponed, then it is beneficial for you because you will get more time to study. But if you don't get it, then you should be ready. Okay. And regarding the projects, so I heard there are few students also who have submitted the project, and still there are few students also who have not submitted the projects. Okay. Names I will inform you tomorrow, next class. I will just go through. I have the list with me. I am having the projects. It is there with me. So a few are there, and if anybody is feeling difficulty, or if you feel that you have to do some more improvement in your project, if you want to have some any other things are necessary like that, you can get it from me, and you can make any kind of modifications, or if any pages are not good. But you should see to it that this project should be of good quality. Okay, so at that time, if you have made it in a hurry and submitted, you can take it back and replace the pages which is not good. If you find any kind of problems like that, so you can collect the project with me, from me, and also you have to study also. Okay, whatever things you have written, you should have an idea about the things that you have studied, and you have to prepare nicely, especially the chapter which is like we have principles of management. We have done the project, you know. So that chapter you should have a thorough idea. If any like external examiner, whether external examiner will be coming or not, that we don't know. But if the examiner comes, then he will be conducting Viva. So in that Viva, they will be asking question, and he can ask question anywhere from the business book. It doesn't mean that you have made a project on principles of management, so they will ask question only from that. There is no any compulsory. They can ask a question anywhere from the business studies book, even from the 11th class book. Okay, so 11th class what you have studied, that is the basic there. So you should, it is not necessary that you have to study all the 11th class book, but you should have some idea. Okay, see like our definition of business, it is given in the 11th class. So but you should know it, and you should have an idea about that, or characteristics of business, or some type of services. Okay, what are the 5 I's you have studied, na? Last year you have studied. So these things are there. So there are some important things that some main important points are there. And also you should have some idea about the current affairs, current situations. Okay, especially related to the business. Okay, some business related informations, like you should know some like Nifty stock exchanges, Nifty values are there, or Sensex is there. Okay, different stock exchanges are there, or the stock exchange points are there, or how these transactions are taking place. So some general idea about these type of things, leading companies in India, some idea about those companies, some brand logos of different companies. Okay, so like Tata, what brand logo is used for Tata, or a different type of companies. There are so many companies, and all of them are having, say, their brand names are there, brand values are there, so slogans are there, you know, so they have their own brand slogans are there, you know. Life's Good, you know, which company? LG. LG. Okay, then an idea can change your life. Idea. Okay. Leading innovations. No. Toshiba. You know. So like that, there are so many companies are there. So there are their own their own taglines are there. They are known as the taglines. Okay. So then there is one like say जीवन के साथ भी जीवन के बाद भी. So there are some sentences like that. So these names, these taglines and all, you should remember, and you should have an idea about these things. And this is not just for your like a current. We could have conducted some kind of like business quiz, like we could have conducted if classes were there, that such a kind of programs and all as necessary. So you can have some idea. So when you go for your degree, when you go for like if you after BCom or BBA, all these type of things, when you go there also you may get some opportunities like this for presenting some programs or participating in some kind of programs. So in such a situations you may have this type of knowledge will be there. Okay, so especially like brand names are there, brand logos or these taglines, all these type of things may be useful, and other type of things whichever we are studying. See like how much you see like in 11th and 12th, how much you have studied, that is the content only for until even if you whatever you are going to study in the future, this is the main content. Okay, so like when you go for BCom, you will study of these many, there are almost similar things are there. Because when you go for MCom, they are also somewhat connected to these things are there. Okay, little more elaborated one, but the topics that you are going to study is almost similar. So if you have a thorough idea about what you have studied, especially like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, these are the activities that management is doing, isn't it? So that management, business management, everything is all content that we have studied, and these are the things that we have to, even if you go forward, if you become manager of a company, you are also going to make use of like 5 principles are there. It may not be used as it is given there, but you can have an idea about those things. Okay, so you need to know, you need to get some information and try to study the content more than simply trying to by heart these things. You try to understand the concepts, try to more like a case study type questions are there, and you practice more of case study problems. Okay, around 70 to 80% of the questions will be related to case studies. Okay, so some like problems are given, some situation is given, and from there you have to find out the answer. So such kind of questions will be there. Okay, so you try nicely and you practice it. The more you practice, you see more questions. Like at the back of your book, there are so many case study questions are there. So you read it. Simply don't read and find the see the answer. Just read it and try to find out the answer of it. Okay, and you should also when you by practicing either see like when you find a question, if you like if you search in internet, you will get like previous year question papers are there. Okay, so there are like slightly the pattern has been changed this year. The CBSE has used every year they are changing the pattern, but overall content is almost same only. So you can take some previous year question papers and you simply like a solution is also there, but don't simply download the solution and see this. I'm not telling that you should not see this, but what you have to do is that you download a question paper, you go through the question paper, and whenever you are having some free time, you try to solve this question fully. Okay, 3 hours time you will keep. So that time management also you can take. Okay, so like you have a question paper will be there, 3 hours time you take. Okay, normally you are having 3 hours time. So you tell your parents that you are going to write an exam. So one day you take one paper anyhow. It is not necessary. Pre-board exam you are having, but you have to practice these things. Okay, and time management it is very much important. Like see like a business studies, it is a question paper itself is very big one. Around 10 page, 12 page question paper will be there, and in that Hindi, English, everything is there. Okay, so then it will take you so much pages are coming. So when you get your board paper, it is coming very big question paper. It is there. So it will take so much time to at least to read and understand itself. Okay, so you need to manage. There are 1 mark questions are there, 3 mark questions are there, 4 mark questions are there, 5 mark questions, 6 mark questions, like that. Different questions are there. So you have to calculate time. So don't like 1 mark question. They are giving very complicated question. Like this much big paragraph is given for 1 mark question. So you have to read all these things. At last, directing will be answer. You have to just write only directing, isn't it? So, but you have to read this full content, full passage. So you practice it. So you reading practice. You need to have good idea about the reading should be there. Then you can write your exams well. Okay. Thank you so much. Study nicely. Okay.